Cause your boy talking crazy, you know, you feel me?
Yo, what's good?
Fresh out with that. I hear you out here talking wild crazy, son. Facts, what's up?
That was me.
You talking about my raps and all that, you talking crazy. What's up?
Factory. Trash, nigga.
Son, I battle you anywhere, son. I battle you in the visiting room. I battle you at the parole office. I battle you in the street, in the corner, at the show, whatever. What's up?
Wherever you want to meet.
Facts.
We can do that King Standard Labor Day weekend, nigga.
Let me tell you something, bro. Let me tell you something. I ain't your average rapper. I got more bars than a jail cell. Clap at your whole team. Leave you alone to say farewell. They say the good die young. That's cool, because I'm a bastard. I could teach you a few things, like a nigga with a master's.
Shit is corny, nigga.
You know I'm nice. I'm confident. I ain't bragging. Yank that 4/5 out. I'm wilding out like Nick Cannon.
Boo!
August 31st, son. Say less.
Whatever, I gotta go. No kids try to hit me.
King's Theater, you know what it is already. Make sure y'all in the building. August 31st. We're gonna have this.
Do remember, click the subscribe button and click the bell icon. Stay tuned for more entertainment. Boom.